Hi guys, it is finally here. The Nreal adapter all the way from Japan. First, make sure to subscribe. Now let's get to unboxing. The Nreal adapter comes in this nice white and green packaging which feels very high quality. Inside, you get the HDMI to USB-C adapter as well as a female to female HDMI adapter. This adapter was designed around the Lightning to AV adapter from Apple. Having the male HDMI connector on the adapter allows the AV adapter to slide in perfectly, making the entire package nice and compact if you want to connect your iPhone. If you don't want to connect an iPhone, that is where the female to female HDMI adapter comes in. You can just plug in any HDMI and it will work with the glasses, giving you a static, large screen. This is great as Nreal have recently extended support for the Xbox Series X and PlayStation 5. Using the adapter is very simple. You just plug in the USB-C cable from your glasses into the USB-C port. Next, you connect your HDMI cable. And finally turn it on using the little button on the top. In my opinion, it works very well and is a great way to give the Nreal Air glasses much more uses. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe for future content.